Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out these Diaper Pail refill bags. So this is a value pack. You get 34 bags per box. Holds up to 1,020 diapers, which is 34 per bag. So you're supposed to use this with your system and your trash can as it shows you guys here. Let's go ahead, open it up just to show you guys what it looks like. So very simple. Pop them open like this, place the diapers inside, and you can fill it the whole way. They are scented to help mask the smell. And when you're done, you close it and you dispose of it the proper disposal method. So guys, very simple, very easy to use. And again, as it says, holds up to 1,020. So you can have 34 diapers per bag. That's a lot of diapers per one of these. And there's 34 bags in here, it says. So that's a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Some things in life can be made so simple. You just have to see the product and know what to get. No more just throwing them out in regular trash and then your trash smelling. Put them in here that's sealed, airtight sealed, so you don't have to smell again. And as you can see, airtight sealed, don't ever have to deal with it again.